In last program we spoke about AI and technology. Today we stay near the technology and AI and we speak about cloud computing. My guest Marcin Grygielski from Genesys and me, Karol Bancerz, CC Talk. Cloud is more popular by year. Why?
I think that the general trend we can see in a majority of our globe, where the cloud is available, is that the companies are really eager to move. At least some of them are eager to move to the cloud, and we see our cloud sales booming in some regions. In North America, we saw 400% growth year by year, which is
in last five years
year.
in Poland.
In EMEA, in EMEA general, it's 200% year by year, which means that this is the fastest growing part of our business at the moment. So I think that there is something something appealing in this technology for companies, and I think that it's first of all it's ease of use of the newest technology, which is affordable and available for everyone. It is also the cloud is also destroying some barriers for companies operating in a multi-site environment, in multi-country environment. So they can offer the same kind of experience, the same look and feel for the customers all over the world from a single solution. They can report it, they can measure, they can assure the quality. But
in Brazil, Poland, Germany,
no matter the location, it's the same one unified solution for everyone, and they don't need to deploy separate solutions in the different countries and hire personnel in each country and then really integrate from a different locations and from multiple solutions to the, for example, centralized CRM system. Yeah, it's very trendy now to have a cloud-to-cloud integration. It's much nicer to integrate from the cloud to the cloud. For example, Salesforce CRM to our pure cloud service, because the cloud-to-cloud integration. That's also a lot of effort saving and a cost saving, because trying to keep up with the continuous development of the cloud solutions. Because when we look at the surrounding environment, we are using WhatsApp, Facebook, Salesforce.com. We are very deep in a cloud technology already. So if we want to still maintain our on-premise integration to this ever-changing continuous development environment, it's like mission impossible. We all the time we need to fix something because the pipe is beginning to leak. Every time we fix it. So I think that the only in a long term, the only solution for the company is thinking global, thinking multi-site, who wants to expand or wants to have access to the newest technology is cloud. They have no other option at the moment.
Okay, so what kind of benefits companies brings moving to cloud?
Yeah, as we said, it's mostly technology. I have an access to the newest technology, and same time for some of the companies it is a cost saving.
And security?
Yeah, right. Security is a big deal recently, and it's really increasing cost for a majority of the companies. How to keep up with all the security threats appearing on the market, appearing globally. So I think it's a big deal when someone else is taking care of the security. So in case of our solution, which is based on Amazon AWS infrastructure, it is Amazon who is responsible to deliver all the required security. The list of Amazon certificates is endless. They can handle your medical information. They can handle your personal data. They can process your payments. They have
and
all
governments and
yeah,
etc.
yeah. They can do maybe not every government.
Yeah,
It depends if the government
Of course.
really agree
In
on that.
China, it's a problem. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But I think also the Polish governmental institution or a German governmental institution, they are not. They are still conservative, I would say. But
now, that's in a few years,
yeah,
maybe
they may not. But entrepreneurs, I think they are already. They understand. At least majority of them understand what is the cost of security, and having someone else to maintain the security and invest in the security and spread all this cost all around us, because it's thousands of companies using the same infrastructure, and they are sharing actually the cost between each other. It's much more efficient.
Okay, so take a break. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Let's talk about challenges in moving companies to cloud. What do you think about challenges?
Yeah, I think there are several challenges or several groups of challenges which simply maybe a little bit ruin the perfect marketing world of marketing story about the cloud.
Yeah.
Available for everyone, everywhere, and so on. It's first of all, what we can observe in our region is some political restrictions, which are pretty often followed by legal restrictions created to protect some political situation or some monopolistic situation. Yeah. So that's, I think, the first. And some countries are not really allowing Amazon to enter their market. They are not allowing access to the public cloud services, or there are countries which are very limiting the internet access to the citizens. They only have an access to certain part of the public internet, global
in
internet.
Big cities, something, yeah.
Sometimes it's the big city is more technological aspect than legal or political, because the cities are pretty frequently well connected. So in a city we have the city network, fiber optic, and we have a fast internet, both cable or LTE, different standards. We are somehow blessed with the newest technologies. When you are outside, or maybe better example, if you are in the country which do not have a right access to the global public internet, then there is a problem. Then opening the web page is a challenge. It takes time.
1 minute, 2 minutes,
yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, I will not mention the countries because it might be offensive. But there are countries where even we would be very, very angry using just an internet because we are not used to wait for a content so long. Yeah,
of course. Okay, so what local specific we have in moving to the cloud?
Yeah.
If are.
Yeah, commercial, definitely commercial issues. The service, the cloud service is designed for everyone, for all the users globally, which also means that the cost of delivery of the service is global. So for a global provider, no matter if they are providing the service to Japan citizens, or to Swiss, or in Africa, in some African countries, the cost is exactly the same. So their bidding is also the same, and the price for some services is exactly the same. But the power of purchase in a particular countries may differ. That's an economical, I think, problem. On the other hand, this kind of, in general, cloud providers, they are building their billing upon the usage. The more I use, the more I pay. It's not.
It's very fair.
It's very fair. On the one hand, I will give you the access to the newest technology, no matter your size, and no matter your wallet. You have an access. On the other hand, even if we have this approach, even with sometimes this little penny is really a lot for some people.
In some countries.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, how you advise something to companies to move in to computing cloud? If you advise.
Yeah. First of all, I would advise to really understand if they are moving to the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's a cloud, first of all, make sure that this is built out of the microservice infrastructure. That you are not that your data is not stored in one or two data centers.
Mm-hmm.
That the security is appropriate. That you will not have to upgrade or update your solution. It's going to be done automatically based on you will get an access to all the newest features on the fly. You don't need to install anything. If there is a new feature available, it's available in Australia, in Japan, in Poland. Same time, same momentum.
All changes in on-site.
Yeah, the only change is your
online.
interface, but there was nothing you had to do, no effort. This is the cloud. This is when the companies have an access to everything, to all the new features in the same manner, and this is completely effortless. It's only the question how I'm going to use it, but not how to deliver this feature to my company. I know I have it, but I only need to really meet with my team and plan how we are going to use it.
For small companies or companies who start using cloud, what do you think about advising of them in the start of build a company?
When they are building it, first of all, as I said, they need to understand if they are on the cloud, because the majority of the services at the moment are pretending to be the cloud. So first of all, check it out, and then check this continuous development idea, if it's really the case. Check the billing of the solution, how is it built, what kind of commitment is necessary, and how much warranty you get also for and security you can get for your cloud subscription.
Okay, that's all on this program. Thanks for watching. Bye.